Starting tomorrow, people with a health plan can go online or to a pharmacy to buy an at-home, over-the-counter COVID-19 test at no cost.
News 6's Carolina Cardona spoke with people about how this will benefit them and how you will be reimbursed by your local pharmacy or insurance company.
Matt and Lisa, people that have had to buy one of these COVID-19 at-home test kits have had to pay somewhere around $10, maybe $20, or sometimes even more. But pretty soon, in just a few hours, tomorrow actually, that will be a thing from the past where they'll have to alter their budget for one of these.
Yeah, time's worth more than my money. I'd rather not go to a public testing site, rather do it in the comfort of my own home.
Adam Saad says he's already spent about $100 for 6 at-home testing kits. He says although Biden's plan to lower costs and make testing more convenient, he doesn't mind spending money on these kits.
Yeah, $20 is worth to know that I'm not infected, my family's not infected, and we're not spreading the virus to others.
Well, I work in dentistry, so I'm very susceptible to this in particular condition. And so, yeah, it would be nice to have a home test that I can take and not have to worry about paying for, and my insurance will take care of.
The new policy states private health insurers will be required to cover up to 8 home COVID-19 tests per month for people on their plans. Any over-the-counter COVID-19 test with an emergency use authorization will be reimbursed by private insurance companies. In regards to PCR and rapid tests administered by a health provider, those will continue to be fully covered by insurance with no limits. Those who are uninsured or are covered by Medicare will not be able to request reimbursement for over-the-counter tests they purchase. In a statement, Florida Blue said since the announcement, they've been working to meet Saturday's deadline, and once details are finalized, they'll make their members aware of the changes to their health plans. News 6 reached out to some of the major pharmacies to know how they'll be working with customers to ensure tests will be either free or reimbursed. So far, Walgreens said they're waiting for further guidance from the federal government on reimbursement. And so the Biden administration said that tests purchased on or after January 15th will be reimbursed. So if you happen to find one of these tomorrow at your local pharmacy or, a different source, then make sure to save that receipt so that you can get reimbursed through your private insurance company. Live in Orlando, I'm Carolina Cardona getting results. Back to you guys in the studio.